In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Affinity Designer. First, open the Affinity app on your computer and make sure the document you want to export is active. Give your canvas a quick scan for any hidden layers, guides, or bleed areas so you know exactly what will end up in the final file. Next, look to the very top left of the screen and click File. This is where all your document-related commands live. It's important to use export here rather than just save or save as. Save keeps your working file in Affinity's native format for future editing, while export creates a deliverable file you can share, print, or place elsewhere. Click Export. That opens the export window where the magic happens. You'll see several format options along the top or in a list. If your workspace shows an export button in more than one place, don't worry, both lead you to the same export controls. The key is that you're now in the export area, ready to set your final output. Now, select a file type that fits your goal. PNG is great for graphics that need a transparent background or crisp edges on the web. JPEG works well for photos or anything where a small file size matters and transparency isn't needed. SVG is ideal for scalable vector art, like logos and icons, especially for web or UI. PDF is a solid choice for documents, print handoffs, or sharing editable vector content. TIFF is useful for high-quality raster exports, often for print. As you pick a format, glance at options like size, resolution, color space, and background. For print, 300 dpi with CMYK or a printer recommended profile is typical. For screens, 72-144 dpi with RGB is standard. If you need a transparent background, make sure transparency is enabled and any canvas color is set accordingly. When you're happy with the settings, click Export. You'll be prompted to choose a location and file name. Place it somewhere you can find easily, confirm the extension matches your chosen format, and save. If a secondary options dialog appears, for example, additional PDF or JPEG quality settings, review them briefly and confirm. Affinity will render the file and save it to your chosen folder. That's it. Open the exported file to double-check edges, colors, and transparency. If something looks off, revisit the export window, tweak the format or resolution, and export again. With this simple flow, open your document, go to File, click Export, select the right format, and click Export to save. You'll get reliable results every time.